3, 2.
Hello! My name is Irene and welcome to Yooeating. Yooeating is a Korean American comfort food pop-up that I started about 5 years ago with my partner Nick on the other side of this camera. I grew up eating a ton of Korean food that my mom cooked at home. Spent a lot of summers in Seoul with my grandmothers, eating just tons of street food, tons of home food. And then when I left to go to college and stopped eating Korean food and started just eating other types of foods exclusively, after a few years, I really started to miss Korean food. So when I moved to New York, I wanted to sort of re-access that like comfort food feeling that I had from eating my mom's cooking all the time. So Yooeating was really a way for me to sort of explore the food that I grew up with through the lens of the food that I was eating today. So when I first started to learn to eat and cook, out in the world, one of the first dishes that really opened my eyes was carbonara. So carbonara is a traditionally Roman pasta that's made with guanciale, black pepper, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. I spent every day for a month making carbonara at home, and then I had to stop because I was eating too much carbonara. I wanted to introduce kimchi into it. It was something that would help to cut through the richness, plus as a Korean American, I always have a literal tub of kimchi in the fridge, so it's a really good way to balance out sort of these two different types of food.
Yeah. Beautiful. That looks great.
This is my kimchi carbonara. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos. This one's for Nick. And I will eat this one.